Hi, I'm Lenny Rudo. A few months ago, we talked about how to winterize your boat using Techron Marine. Well, now it's springtime, thank goodness, and it's time to get ready for spring commissioning. Whether your boat's been buttoned up and stored away all winter long, or maybe you just haven't used her in a while, you want to be sure that first trip goes smooth. So, follow these steps. First things first, you need to give your boat a thorough visual inspection, bow to stern. Open all the hatches, look inside all the lockers, make sure that no water's gotten anywhere and caused freeze damage. Make sure you peek under your engine hatch or take off your outboard cowl and just make sure that no rodents or birds have built a nest in there. They can do that sometimes over the winter and cause some serious damage. Check your batteries and terminals for leaks or corrosion and add distilled water if necessary. And of course, bring your batteries up to a full state of charge. Next, turn on and off all the boat's systems. Check your lights, check your pumps, make sure that everything is working properly. Now's the time to find out about corroded connections and bad wires, not out there on the water. If you changed your fuel water separator at the beginning of the winter and you treated your fuel system with Techron Marine, you're good to go. If not, it's time to give that fuel system a little TLC. You'll want to add the proper amount of Techron Marine to your fuel system to keep your engine clean and remove fuel deposits. And 1 ounce of Techron treats 10 gallons of gas. Now ready for my favorite part, starting the motor up for the first time of the year. If your boat's on land or on a trailer, of course you need to give it a water supply. If it's on a lift like this, just lower it until the intakes are in the water. When you start your boat up, be sure to let it idle for several minutes. This will burn out all the fogging fluid that may have been in there over the winter and circulate the Techron Marine all throughout your fuel system. Then top off your tank, turn your boat loose, and get ready for another great season on the water.